Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. If you think you wouldn't benefit from a hoop stand holder, I would definitely reconsider. I'm an avid cross stitcher, but I really bought this stand for my niece. She wanted to try cross stitch just like her auntie, but because she has limited use of her left hand, this stand became the perfect solution. The bottom part goes under your lap and it's very comfortable to sit on. The wood that it's made out of is smooth. It's been sanded lovely. And all of the moving parts adjust really smooth as well. The clamp works well with all sizes of hoops, and it doesn't get loose over time. That's really important. And I like that I can adjust the height as well, so that both her and I can use it. It was easy to assemble, and I just like the overall design of the hoop stand. Like I said earlier, I bought this for my niece, but I'll definitely be making good use of it too. I love being hands-free for when I'm relaxing with my hobby. Like I said earlier, you'd be surprised how much you fall in love with this stand as soon as you start using it. You gotta go get one of these. Get this one. And that's my point of view.